Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to the CAD-CAM library. In this video we will learn about the fillet command, how to use the fillet command and about the features of the fillet command. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and follow the complete course of SolidWorks in CAD-CAM library. So now let's start. Here is the feature, and in the feature command here is the fillet command. Click here. Fillet command is used to round the sharp edges, and here are the certain types of the fillet command. Is a constant fillet, variable fillet, and is a face fillet, and is a full round fillet. Now in the constant fillet command you have to select only the edge you want to round. Let's say select this edge. Now you can see, and you can adjust the value from here. Let's say I'll make it up to 20 mm. Now you can see it is adjusted up to 20 mm. You can also select the face to select all of the edges connected to this face. Let's say select this face. Now you can see all of the edges are automatically selected. Select this face, edges will automatically selected. Now click OK. Now you can see our part is rounded from all of the edges. Now delete that relation. Again go to the fillet. Now the second type of the fillet is a variable fillet. In this fillet you can adjust the value of the fillet from both of the ends. Let's say select this edge and you can assign it from here. Let's say make it up to 10 mm from this side and 2 mm from this side. Now you can see it is variable from both of the ends. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Click OK. Now you can see variable fillet is created here. So again delete that relation. Now again go to the fillet command. Now the third one is the face fillet. To use that type of fillet you have to select at least two faces. Let's say select this face and this face. Now you can see fillet is created. The benefit of this type of fillet is you can adjust it according to your requirement up to the end of the face. Now you can see you can increase it up to that end of the face. Click OK. Now you can see fillet is created. You cannot create this type of fillet by using that simple type of constant or variable fillet. Now again delete that relation. OK. Now again go to the fillet command. Here the last one is the full rounded fillet. In this type of fillet you have to select at least three faces. Let's say select this face and this face and this face. Now you can see fillet is created by using all of these three faces. Click OK. Now you can see a rounded fillet is created on both of these three faces. So again delete that relation. Now here is the last one. Again go to the fillet. In the constant size fillet you can adjust it from here symmetric to let's say make it asymmetric and select this edge. Now you can see you can adjust the values of both vertical and horizontal sided according to your requirement. Let's say I'll make it decrease that vertical and increase that horizontal. You can see you can adjust it according to your requirement. Let's say I'll adjust it here and click OK. Now you can see fillet is created. You can design any type of fillet according to your requirement by using these type of commands. I hope that you would like my video. Please subscribe the channel and follow the complete course of SolidWorks in CAD-CAM library.